Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode, and in today's video we're going to be talking about gaming phones and the best gaming phones to buy in 2018. If you're a gamer, then I'm sure at some point you must have wished you could take your entire gaming setup with you on the go, but the good news is you do not have to do that to be able to game on the go. So without wasting any more time, let me introduce you guys to the star of the show today, the guest. Welcome, Mr. Frankenstein.
Thank you. It's good to be here. Yeah.
Of course. So why don't you tell the people a little bit about yourself?
Sure. I love games. Yeah, I love games so much. Like, it's my life. It's literally in my blood. And I've played like every game in existence, every game ever invented. I've played all. I was literally born with a game controller in my hands, and I've been a gamer ever since. So you can say I'm a natural.
Whoa, okay, it looks like you're the perfect person for this interview.
Yeah, I guess I'm okay. Ooh. And don't mind me, just cleaning up my trophies here.
All right, okay, so let's kick this off with the big question on everyone's minds right now. What are the best gaming phones right now?
Tough question. I'd like to start with my least favorite and then go all the way up to my ultimate favorite. I really love the Xiaomi Black Shark. Like, that's a really nice phone. It's a capable gaming phone. It does a lot. It's got 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, Snapdragon 845 processor, which is really great for games because it's really fast. And it's like a really nice phone. It's also got like a really nice liquid cooling system in there, so it really does a lot in there. Like, it has everything, okay? It has everything you need in a gaming phone, but the only thing it doesn't have is a micro SD card slot, which is like super necessary for every phone. Like, I have a lot of games to put in my phone, and if it doesn't have a micro SD card slot, I can't put as many games, which is a bummer because I need a lot of games on my phone. And the Xiaomi Black Shark doesn't have a micro SD card slot, so I really need that in my phone, and it doesn't have that, which is why it is my least favorite. My second favorite phone is the Razer phone. Now, I love this phone so much. I know it came out in 2017, but that doesn't really matter because it's still a great gaming phone right now. It has like the best screen on any phone right now. Like, you get me? Like, it has a 120 hertz display. You know what that means? 120 hertz display? Like, you just can't compare that to a normal screen. Like, it's just so smooth. Everything is so nice on that. You can't find that on any phone at all right now, and you can hardly even find that on gaming monitors, which are like super expensive. And it's really a really unique feature of that phone. I love it so much. And I also love the dual loudspeakers on that phone. They sound really nice. Although I love to use my super expensive headphones when I game, but if I don't have these babies, then I want to use the loudspeakers on my phone. And the Razer phone was really nice when I used it. It was really nice. I love to use it, and I just find it hard to switch to something else. Oh, and don't forget, it also has a micro SD card slot, which is great.
Oh yeah, that's great, I guess. So what's your favorite gaming phone of all time?
That would be the Asus ROG smartphone. Like, it's the most capable of them all. It really looks like a gaming smartphone, and it is packed with features. It's got a 90 Hz refresh rate, glowing logo at the back, AMOLED screen, and even squeeze features to configure in gameplay. So it's really just packed with features. And I just love the choices you have with it, and it is, of course, my favorite gaming phone of all time.
I see. There you have it, folks. So, okay, one last question before we go.
Yeah.
If you had to recommend just one of these phones, which one would it be and why?
I would recommend the Asus for sure. Like, it has everything I need in a smartphone to game on the go. It's got solid specs, great looks, and overall, it's just a really nice gaming phone. Like, I couldn't ask for more.
I totally agree. Well, folks, you heard it here first from your very own Frankenstein, who was nice enough to fly in from LA. Thanks for coming, man.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, sure thing. So for those of you watching at home, thank you so much for coming around. And just so you know, this is the first of a series we're going to be doing on the channel, just like this one. I want to call it Mike Interviews. Let me know what you guys think about that name down in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new here. And I will catch you guys in the next video.
No, you won't. That was my line. This is my video. Come on.
But the video was sort of my idea.
It doesn't matter. That was my line.
Fooling from LA.
Video.
You can do whatever I want, and this is why I don't like you.
Alright, that's it. What you gonna do about it? Shock me and throw me out of your studio? Why is there a rope on my head?
Sorry about that, folks. He's always like that. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Hit the like button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at imikenstein. Love to have you guys over there. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.